Drug offenses come in different categories. Okay, so generally speaking, on a macro level, you're looking at drug offenses that are misdemeanors or felonies. So if you have a misdemeanor drug offense, typically it's possession of marijuana, then you're going to probably have been written a summons to appear in court versus having an arrest warrant. And so the person must appear on that court date, and they, certainly can represent themselves, or if they, want counsel, then they will be given time by the court to be able to find an attorney. For felony offenses, the first court hearing will be an arraignment, and so in Fairfax County, the arraignments will be at 10:30 a.m. on the second floor, and the person will be required to appear unless they have already retained an attorney, and that attorney has entered her appearance in the case. And so if the individual has not yet retained counsel, they'll appear in court. The judge will advise him or her of what he's charged with and what the potential consequences are, and then tell the person that they need to come back on their preliminary hearing date, and then also there will be what's called an attorney review date, the day in which the person has to have counsel enter her appearance in the case, or the accused has to come back to court. So it's a longer process, and for felony drug offenses, the preliminary hearing is just the first phase. So depending on how the case proceeds, if it's going to continue on as a felony, then eventually it will be the trial or the plea will be heard in the circuit court. If it's going to be dismissed quickly or be amended to a misdemeanor offense, that will all take place in the general district court, where the cases are first heard.